if we want to use your Android phone as a compass, first of all we have to open up our Play Store. Now in our Play Store, right here at the bottom, we have to find our search tab. Now press search, and here we gotta search for the digital compass. Alright, open this application up, so choose this one and press install. Now give it a few seconds to be installed. So as it is installed, press open. So in some cases you may need to calibrate it first, so simply follow the simple on-screen instructions that may involve rotating your phone in specific ways to ensure that the compass is accurately set. Usually it only takes a few seconds, however it's not the case with my compass, so I wasn't prompted to do that. And basically that's it. Now you can use your compass freely. So some tips for accurate detection finding. First of all, keep your phone away from metal objects and sources of electrical interference because they affect the compass accuracy. Perform regular calibrations to maintain accuracy. This is especially important if you notice that the compass reading seems off. And last but not least, hold your phone horizontally to avoid shaking and to ensure more accurate readings. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.